Now here, with this table, what they're wanting you to do, just complete the table below. Well, there's 4 parts to this. Okay. Use a table and a calculator to complete the table for the given expression. So you plug in 4 for the x. Plug in 7 for the x. 22 in for the x. 93.1 for the x. So for example, if I had, for my first one, 4, then the circumference is 2 pi x. So we plug 4 in for the x, and we get 8 pi. And they say rounded to hundredth as needed, so 2 decimal places. So if I do 8 times pi, I got 8 times pi is second caret on this calculator. Then we get 25.13. So this would be 25.13. Now for the area, our formula is pi x squared. So area is pi x squared. So we're going to have pi, and we'll plug 4 in for the x. So we've got 4 squared. 4 squared is 16, so we'll have 16 pi, and we'll plug that in. 16 pi, 16, then second caret, and that gives us 50.27, rounded 2 decimal places. So 50.27. I won't go through it, but you'd continue this same topic for 7, 22, 93.1, and I'm just going to put anything in. Okay. And check answer. There we go. And final check. It tells you what the actual values are. Okay. Now A. The circumference of the circle, whose radius is 50 yards, is... so here, we're going to use the same formula. Circumference is equal to 2 pi x, which the x should be an r. I'm not sure why they chose to do that. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So here, they're going to tell us to plug in 50 for r. So we've got 2 pi times 50, and this is still in yards, because this is yards right here. Okay, so 2 times 50 is 100, so I got 100 pi. Rounded to hundredth, 314.16. 314.16, and I choose yards, and then check answer. Now when it gets down to the area, you again use your pi r squared formula, so you can plug 50 in for the r, but on this time you'll have square yards, because the area is always represented in square. And then you do the similar operation on part B there.